Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, tap on display and brightness, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!